Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jessica. Today we are talking about payments, how you're going to do your payments on Alibaba. Ekisooka nga oddayo ewedde, odda nagibalaga how it looks like. Abatannagiraba, you go back to my videos. So nga odda ewedde, wansi waliwo akagambo make payment. So clickinga kwako, then ojja kulabako options eziriko. Waliwo Google Pay, waliwo card, Visa card, MasterCard or what card, debit card or credit card. Then waliwo ne wire payment, waliwo ne PayPal. So bw'obanga video zino tonnaziraba, waliwo video ya Airtel gye nabalaga, butya bw'ofunamu MasterCard ya Airtel Money. Waliwo n'endala eya cheaper. Zino video nzikola kubanga I expect you to watch them, mubeeko kye muyiga. Waliwo ne video ya cheaper, how to get the Visa card. Those are the two things. Kumulembe guno, if you're still complaining that you don't have a card, mbasi kutegeera. Wallahi mbasi kutegeera. Kubanga cards are now everywhere. You have to be open to use yourself and technology. You have to let yourself in with a new technology. Don't overthink. Bajja kunziba, bajja kukola chisimanyi. If you use it well, nothing is going to happen. So, how you're going to get that MasterCard for Airtel nabalaga, how you're supposed to get it. Ogenda mu *185, then ojja kulabako MasterCard, then ojja funa card. Same, it's very easy process. Mugende mulabe video kweri. Ne cheaper bajja bawa Visa card. Kati just ojja kukozeseyo card mu Google Pay. Olabawo akagambo Google Pay. Kubanga obeera ne virtual card, kadi yo ng'eri ku ssimu, tobeera na kadi mu ngalo, just ebeera ku ssimu. So ojja kulaba Google Pay, okirikinge kwako, then you fill in the details eyo card. Bakusaba card number, ne bakusaba CVV, ne bakusaba ne expiry date. Ebyo information yeyo. Tobaako omuntu gw'ogiweereza ne bw'aba supplier wo. Eriyo gwe nalabako nga he took a picture, she took a picture mazima ddala ya kadi ye ya banka naweereza ekifaananyi, nagiweereza omuntu ne bajjako sente zonna. After najja mbu banziba. For real. That information should belong to only you. Use that information, make a payment for yourself. Don't send it to the supplier to pay himself. Osobola otya owa omuntu $5,000,000 mbujjako emu. Amusiru ne bw'abanzi. So guys, that information belongs to you. Then bw'obanga olina card ya banka nga mu ngalo ogiyina, use the debit or credit card. So choose the Visa card or MasterCard, whichever card you have, and pay. After that, you can delete that information from the app if you want. Or if you don't want, no one is going to use it. No one is going to, remove your money after you make a payment, then they remove. No. No one is going to use it even if you leave that information there. Because it is in your profile, not in anyone's profile or what and what. And that information is always sacred, just for you. So bobanga ebyo ebintu tobina, bobanga you can't access the Visa card and bino ebya card bikulumya omutwe, osobola ozitwala mu banka n'obagamba bakuyambeko, they pay for you. So they can use Western Union, they can use MoneyGram, they can use all those payment things for wire transfer. Okay, so be so careful, be very careful when paying for these things. Nekirala, read your orders thoroughly. first read them thoroughly. Don't see an order and pay immediately. Now first read through it. Bw'obanga olabamu ekikyamu, bw'obanga olabamu anything, you tell them to modify it, to change it. Bakolemu changes gwe z'oyagala. Bw'olaba nga akasente oba kangi, oba bw'olaba nga shipping fee ate, bw'olaba aba biki akozeemu ensobi, ataddemu ky'otayagala oba tataddeemu ky'oyagala, communicate. Ajja gikyusa. Just because akuwadde order tekitegeeza mbu it's a final thing. It can be modified. So be careful, change that order, confirm from them first. Wait, take your time. Always pace yourself to think. There is one speaker that told me you should always move according to your time. Just because oli akuwadde, for example, just because oli akuwadde message tekitegeeza nti you have to reply it immediately. Reply it at your own convenience. Topapa oli bw'aba nga akuwadde order n'akugamba this is the order, then make payment. Slow down. Papa ki ekintu gwakyagala, lwaki aba papa? Take your time, read through it and pay at your own time. Ng'oli kaamu nga buli kimu okirabye, you know, read everything. Asoma ekitabo ngali ku Bible. So read through it carefully, buli kimu, before you pay. Any questions omubuuze. So bw'obanga batera nnyo oteekako shipping fee from their company to the shipping agent. Inquire about shipping fee, that shipping fee. That's why I always tell you, carefully listen. It is a saga. When I'm going to make a point, I always want you to take that point. Bw'ogenda ku Alibaba, wabeerako amannya ga company gy'ogenda okulako ekintu. Erinnya erisooka linnya lya continent, lya ekifo. For example, nga company eziri mu Kampala, bwebanga erinnya ly'eyo company basooka teekako Kampala. Kati nga tonna choosing supplier, katugende ku app mbalage, kuba I want you to really understand this thing. Kakati tuguddewo app, katugeze nga twagala saate. Okay, kati zizino esaati ze batuleetedde, katugeze of course twagala verified supplier, oba katugende wano ku suppliers. Kati bibino bye mbagambye, lino erinnya erisooka Zhejiang, mujja kunsonyiwa siri mu China, Guangzhou, okay, Fujian, Dongguan, Guangzhou. Bino before, it's a place, Chifonga Kampala, it's part of China. Kakati njagala weetegereze address ya shipping agent wo gy'akuwadde mu China. Then olabe n'ekifo supplier wo gy'ali. Muntegedde. Bw'osanga nga shipping agent wo ali eno mu Guangzhou, nga ggwe ogenda ggola muno mu Zhejiang, bagenda kucharginga shipping fee. Kiringa bw'osuubula ebintu embalala ng'obitwala e Kampala, baba bajja kusaba transport. Batera nnyo tusaba like $20 and below, 6, 5, 7, kisinziira kifo ki. Okay? Kati mbadde mbasaba, if possible, people that I recommend, my shipping agent ali eno mu Guangzhou. Ngo choosing up supplier, it will be okay to get a supplier from Guangzhou reducing costs. Kubanga if they baba banga bali mu area emu, for example, if everyone is in Kampala, meaning that okijeri ku gundi ku supply okituusa ku shipping agent, it will be a short distance. Okay, kiringa bwolaba Jumia mu Kampala, it is 5k, Tumbalala it is 10k. So bwofuna supplier ngali mu kifo kyekimu ne agent wo, it's a very good thing. Kitegeeza ne supplier bw'aba kusabye eza transport from the supplier to your place, ajja kucharginga like $5 or $6 ekinene. So I would advise you, that is my advice, that is what you should consider also. Mubalaba, this Yiwu, it is near Guangzhou, so you can try and Guangzhou and Yiwu, okay? Katwolaba Dongguan and this area Guangzhou, it's a different place. It's all in China, Nayenga. They are not cross, okay? So they are different cities, different areas, but all part of one country. So that is my point, just to help you minimize the costs. Okay guys, that's it. I think I hope this helped you to reduce on your costs. Okay, so continue liking, continue sharing, and let's talk and share ideas about stuffs.